Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video here we have to find what is under root I equal to. So we can write under root I as under root 1 over 2 into 2i, because 2 will be cancelled and this will be the same. So this will be, now this can be written as 1 over under root 2 into under root 2i. So we can also write this one as 1 over under root 2 into, in the under root we have 1 plus 2i minus 1, because 1 will be cancelled. Again this will be the same. So can we write this one as 1 over under root 2 into, in the under root we have 1 square plus 2 1i plus I square, because I square will be minus 1. Again minus 1 and 1 will be cancelled, so this will be the same. So why we are doing this one? Just because we want to convert it in a formula a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the same we are doing over here. So this will be same 1 over under root 2 into, in the under root we have 1 plus I whole square. So once we have this equation 1 over under root 2 into under root 1 plus I whole square, it means square will be cancelled with the root, so we are left with plus minus 1 over under root 2 into 1 plus I. So under root I is equal to this one. So we don't have to find the value of I, we just have to find the value of under root I. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.